Welcome back to the channel. Well, as I said in the previous videos, we were going to be going to the next parts, and next part is exhaust. So we're going to be adding on the cat back we got from our friends over here at MBRP. So we're going to get a little rumble, free up a little bit of back pressure, not much, but it's still pretty much NA. So I'm going to jump on, get that done, and I'll let you guys hear how she sounds, give you my review of how it is on the highway, driving and so on, and go from there.
Before and after, we hit the gas.
Yeah, I mean, I think we got more than enough. Everybody know what a stock one sounds like. Well, while Rob preps to get ready to install the exhaust, well, uninstall the old one and install the new one. Woo! Ford just released a video for the new F-150 Lightning. Let me know what your thoughts are on that. I'll pop the video in here real quick so you can see it. But yeah, all electric Lightning. So this exhaust I'm putting on it's going to have to resonate pretty well, because an all electric, we're not really going to have too much of sound unless it's a fake sound for an exhaust going forward. So what are your thoughts on that? On an F-150 Lightning that's all electric? I mean, we had the rumors coming for a while, but it's no longer a rumor now. So performance-wise, I pretty much expect it to be pretty quick, but just giving up of a V8, heck, not even an EcoBoost. No more gas engine at all, and electric. What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments, and like I said, I'll show that video real quick right now, and then we'll get back to this exhaust install.
It's time to take our grit, our determination, our ingenuity, and build on that. It's time to take an entire century of innovation and point it at the next century. To take the legendary and turn it into something revolutionary. To take electric and turn it into lightning.
Need some tip. Tip. Some black tip.
That's a big black tip. Yeah, that'd be mine. So this might be one of another year or two, this might be one of the last few exhausts you do, man. Electric F-150s. What you think? What you think about that?
Listen, man. I gotta follow, get ahead of the curve and play with brushes and batteries. But it is what it is, Gotta keep moving forward. Pipe.
Yes. I mean, you figure people going to sit there, they're going to bash it, though. You figure you got the last Lightning was what, a 13.7 best case scenario. The most recent F-150, same config roughly, is a 12.9 to 13.0. So now if they drop a new Lightning and the thing runs 10s,
how do you bash that? It's electric. I mean, how do you bash it? You can't stay stuck. So what do? You stay ahead of the curve. You know, none of us could change anything. This is what it's gonna be, right?
Yeah.
So gotta ride with them or get ran over on one or the other. So the guys that don't want to think ahead and participate, you're gonna have some electric shit just zip right by you.
And not even gonna hear it coming.
Nope. Unless we play a song that we want you to hear as I exhaust. My comment.
Woo!
I got my fingers
That
right.
can cost you, they say, 20 some odd years of pain there.
You guys learn how to just stop, put another one on.
Yeah, I don't know anybody that's gonna really just stop to put another one on.
You got the little soldier sitting at the end. You got an option.
Yeah, you got the option, but yeah,
You got an option.
I don't know.
You got an option.
Alright, so we're all installed. Let's see what this first fire up sounds like with our new exhaust.
Oh, baby. It's gonna be in the seat.
and we'll see how it sounds in cabin. Windows up, windows down. Make sure I can still hear my voice. Woo! All right, let's see what she sounds like starting up inside. Windows are open. Excuse me, windows are closed. Yeah, we got the new exhaust on now, so I guess this is the first phone call since I put it on. So that right now I'm just like sitting at a light. Well, you figure the other truck that had the Roush exhaust, that had that loud one.
Mm-hmm.
You usually hear that from your end of the phone?
Yeah, because you got your Apple headphones, but he was going through the Bluetooth.
Well, right now we're going through the car Bluetooth.
Are you car Bluetooth?
Yeah, we're going through the car Bluetooth right now.
Oh, no. Then, yeah, you way better. Way better.
Alright, I'm gonna put the earbud in. Alright, I just put the earbud in. So I take it if you didn't hear it then, I know you probably don't hear nothing now. Interesting. Yeah, it just gave us some gas. Like right now, laying in it a little bit. Alright, so you can hear it basically when I lay into it, but if I'm just normal driving, you don't seem to hear it. That's good. That's definitely good. That's definitely good.
But I thought normally when you do the exhaust.
You hit it over here?
Huh?
Yeah,
just hit it a little bit. Tried the phone call here, and he said from the car Bluetooth, you don't even really hear it unless I hit it. So that's pretty good.
Nice. There you go.
I think I'm gonna do some watt hits tonight. We'll see how it sounds then. But even just there, the watts sound nice and clean.
Yeah,
it's not like that. The Roush one has got real raspy.
Yeah, this is more deep.
Yeah.
Nice.
A little bass in the voice, a little bass.
Bass in your voice, good boy.
I like it.
It's good.
We might not even have to do what we were talking about.
Oh, the other piece.
Yeah. Sounds pretty solid. Like I said, doesn't interfere with any phone. We'll see how the highway feels, if there's any drone. Like I said, when I go tonight, I'll do that. I always do that when I'm in the middle of the night anyway. Let it get up with the operating temp. I'm going up
and
for like a few miles and turn around and come back.
Fucking crazy.
Well, hey man, you got to see what all is on the highway before you decide you want to hit it. You got to make sure there's no debris out there. You know, guys blowing the bed covers off. You know, you run into all type of crazy stuff out there.
Shit over.
Yeah.
Sweet. My man, thank you.
Blast with the windows open and everything. Not bad at all.
Just clean the street a little bit. NA, one of them MBRP exhausts. Oh, they're locked in.
Well, I don't know. Now the fun part really gets, because we're about to give you a cold start as I get ready to do some logs. So I'm gonna do some pulls, and you're gonna get to see just how bad my neighbors may or may not hate me. So we'll be doing a cold start, and yeah, let's see how bad the lighting is when we get over there. All right, here we go. Taking a little ride, because before I do any logs, I like to bring everything up to operating temperature. So did about 5 miles of driving up down a little route. So everything's up to operating temperature. We're gonna get ready to get towards my nice little private location. But in the meantime, I figured it'd be a good time to give like a little review as to the exhaust. Excuse me. So I brought it up. Like I said, I let it idle, come up to temp, and the exhaust sound is pretty nice. Still, like, I can drive around, haven't felt the need to turn my music any louder than I normally do. And as you could see from the previous video, or well, as you can see from the previous shot, the phone call held just fine while I was driving. And hopefully the audio that you hear right now while I'm driving is just fine for you guys. I mean, I'll see when I actually take a look at the videos to edit it, but it's not loud, it's not obnoxious. I don't hear any real drone or anything. And I had been up at highway speed, cruising at 60, even put it on cruise control up around 60, 70, and everything still sounded pretty nice. Heck, if I crack the window, I hear more of the air from going at speed than I will from the exhaust. So we'll see how it translates into videos to see if you guys can kind of notice the same thing. So main thing would be when I do my hits, to try to listen to it and compare it towards other videos that I've done the hits when I had the stock cat back. So I really can't wait to put the Whipple on, because, oh man, I think it's going to be real nice with that whine. There's nothing like hearing that Whipple whine. But yeah, so we'll get ready to get to it, and after that, that'll pretty much be the end of this video. I don't even think I'll give you a closeout. It'll just be literally the hits, because you've kind of gotten my opinion, my review on this exhaust for normal driving. So during the watt situations, from the little short hits that I did before earlier, it sounded very well. Like, I really liked it. It wasn't like a real raspy or extremely loud. It kind of toned out a little as the RPM got up. So we'll see how it all plays. And yeah, so I'll leave you guys with these watt hits, and until the next one, this is Boosted F-150 out. Hopefully you guys could hear that, and the audio picked up pretty well. Sounded pretty nice, nothing extreme. As I said, I can't wait until I add that Whipple back to her. So we'll get you another one. And 1, 2, 3, go. Consistency, of course, but the main thing was so you guys could hear that sound and hear that watt. So let me know what you think. If you like this exhaust, do check it out. Link in the description for where you can get the MBRP exhaust from. Oz Tuning actually sells it, so check them out.